Presenting Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 Digital SLR camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18 to 55mm with 55 to 250mm lens and EF-S 18 to 55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The DIGIC 4 Plus image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensure speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF-S 18 to 55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack. The camera comes with 2 years manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.